Hi friends, welcome you to my channel Audience HR. Friends, here I have raw data. I need to create email ID from first name and last name. Okay, so here we can use two functions by using first continent formula and number second we can use AND key. Okay, so firstly we will see continent function. For that we will type the formula. Okay, here it is showing to select text 1, so I will select here text 1, then text 2. So between first name and last name we need dot. Okay, so we will here add dot. Okay, then last name we will select. Okay, and then I need to add domain name of email ID, so we will add here our domain name @ audiencehr.com. then we will press the enter key. Now I will select this all data. Okay, so I have created email ID. Now we will create email ID by using AND key. Okay, for that we will select here first name. Okay, then we will press AND key, then we will add dot. Okay, then again I will press AND key, then we will select last name, then again AND key, then we will add here domain name @ So in this way you can create email ID by two methods. So thanks for watching this channel. Please do like and subscribe.